Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to overview the Oracle exam 1Z0-860, which is Java EE5 Business Component Developer Certified Professional Exam. First off, let's start with some basic test information. So, duration of this exam is 150 minutes. You will have a total of 51 questions in multiple choice format, and the passing score is a minimum of 57% correct answers. Exam candidates will have questions from the following sections, which I'm now going to present to you one by one. So, first off, we have EGB 3.0 overview. Then we have the second topic, General EGB 3.0 Enterprise Bean Knowledge. The third topic is EGB 3.0 Session Bean Component Contract and Lifecycle. Next, we move on to EGB 3.0 Message-Driven Bean Component Contract. Next, we have Java Persistence API Entities and Java Persistence Entity Operations. Then we have Persistence Units and Persistence Context. Then we have Java Persistence Query Language and Transactions and Exceptions. And finally, we have Security Management. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for our next video presentation, which is going to be the Oracle exam 1Z0-861. See you next time and have a great day.